Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a timer that counts down. Now, you might want to say like you have until this many seconds to get whatever done. Now I've just got some random whatever going on so that we can have something to look at in time. Now, so all this stuff is just about is movement. I'm going to drag that over because if I'm going to do a timer, I would just have a timer be its own little thread here, right? Of course, you're going to need a variable. And you need to, when the game starts, you want to set the timer. How long are they going to have to get this done? Is it going to be 20 seconds? Is it going to be 30 seconds? Is it going to be whatever? Let's say 10 seconds. Now, your whole mission here is that you want to wait a second, right? So they have 10 seconds, you waited a second, and then you want to change your time, right? But if I do this, change it by 1, it went up from 10 to 11. I need it to go down. So you use negative. So it was 10, it became 9. Now here's the thing. This is awesome. Wait and count down. But that just went from 10 to 9 because it happened one time. Of course, you want something to happen over and over and over again. You want to have it keep counting down, which means you're going to need a repeat loop. Now I would say you don't want to do this forever, because that would just keep going -5, -6, -7, -8 for all time. You could do this and say repeat it 10 times, but then you have to have that. You would always have to make sure this and this matched, right? What I would say, the coolest way to do this would be keep repeating, right? And that, because that time's going down, that time's going down, that time's going down. What I would say is repeat this until you get to 0. Now what you want right here is you want that time. Do not type in the word time, because that just means the word time. You want to use time because it's the name of that variable. So you want to say go look in that box, whatever's in that box when it is 0. So if you type in time, it literally thinks you mean the word time. You want to go here and use this as a placeholder. So say whatever's in that box. Keep repeating until whatever number's in that box is 0. And now watch this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it stopped counting down. Very nice. Now, you want something to happen there at the end, so I might say, I don't know exactly what you want to happen. One of the coolest things to do would be to say, after you've repeated this as many times as you want, boom, 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 once it's done, you're going to come here and you might say, you're out of time. And that way people will hear that message in the background and they can respond to it and do whatever you want to do. I don't know, whatever that may be, but you can broadcast out of time. And then other people could say, well, when I hear that I'm out of time, do I switch my backdrop? Do I stop all my scripts? Do I, freeze in my tracks? So that just depends on what it is that you want to do. Okay, watch this. I don't want to wait 10 seconds. So see how cool this is? If I switch this to 5, I don't have to make any other change because that just repeats until I'm out of time. I don't have to say, oh, I have to run that 5 times now. It will take care of itself. 3, 2, 1, boom. Look how gorgeous that is. So that's a countdown timer if you want to do a countdown.